Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video, and today I will be talking about some important things on my channel. But before that, I wanted to say a big thank you to today's sponsor, which is LittleYou.ca. LittleYou.ca is an online platform where you can 3D customize your own little chibi avatar or avatar of somebody you love and 3D print it and get it delivered to your address. This is a project made by one person, and I really love this creative approach they have. So they kind of asked me to create my own little 3D character and make it into a manga illustration, which will be the background for this video. And you can check them out down in the description below. So let's get back to the topic. As you all know, I like to feature things that are interesting to me or people similar to me, like cute anime items or useful stuff for drawing or creating manga. So everything that is in this field of manga and is either useful or I have personally checked it out, tested it out, told you my personal opinion. So the first thing I will not do is promote untested products or untested things like software or courses or anything like that. I would rather do a free video and get the software or a course or a product sent to me or given to me for testing, extensively test it, and tell you guys my honest opinion. I will not blindly promote something that just because a company wants to pay me or something like that. The second thing I won't be doing is promote brands that steal art. If you ever see me promote a brand that has been outed as stealing art, please let me know. I have recently been told that I was promoting a brand that was stealing art, and I even confronted this brand and they never denied it. I wanted my stuff off their website. I immediately cut all ties with them and deleted all my promo videos. Third thing I will not be doing on my channel is to become a drama channel for the views. It's very popular. I've seen a lot of people do it, but I personally do not want to go into commentary or drama or something like that, because everything you say in the end may be used against you, and I just don't want to mess my personal projects with something like what other people say or do. And last but certainly not least, throughout the years I have refused to work with a lot of brands that promote hidden like gambling or just doing shady stuff that probably is illegal in many countries. So I definitely just ignore those. These are not the things I want to be showing to my audience or tricking my audience into applying, no matter how much they offer to pay me. Well, please let me know what you think about this topic, and please check out LittleYou.ca. They will be linked down in the description, and I really hope you liked today's video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you want to learn how to draw manga, make sure to check out Manga Crash Course and Manga Crash Course Fantasy, as well as my latest book for beginner cosplayers, Cosplay Crash Course.